So as you can see from the title and the thumbnail, we're gonna tap into this early pair of these Electro oranges. I have a beautiful model here, my lovely lady, my girlfriend. So it's in her size. So got a notification on my phone the other day. It was like Saturday, right? It was like early, dropped early on Foot Action. So I'm like, oh, you know, add the card. I'm like, okay.
Been through.
I was like, Apple Pay, all right, let's see, processing. And then it checked out, so.
Yeah, my Apple Pay, I was trying to check out too, and it was like payment error or something, but it was still in my cart. People are checking out, and then people were also getting canceled.
Yeah.
And so we was like, okay, ours hasn't been canceled, the payment's still pending, you know, let's hope. And so sure enough, he got the email that it sent, and we was hyped.
That it got shipped.
Yeah.
So it's her size. I'm gonna let her open it.
Oh, thanks, babe.
I'm gonna open the knife for her. I'm gonna let you open it and then get your first thoughts, opinions. We're gonna do a little brief review on them. See how we feel about them.
I would laugh if this isn't even the shoe in here. If they sent us out, nope.
It's in there.
It's definitely in
Jordan
there.
1 box. Save $20 on your next purchase. I'm gonna keep this.
They put the perfect size box
for the 7Y. We don't need this anymore.
It's definitely in there.
They here? Oh shoot! This is
White,
3 days
black,
early.
Electric orange, 3 days early. Y'all see it.
As you can see there, black, white, Electro orange. Oh, let's see.
Oh, and it came with the extra laces. Woo!
Woo!
Yeah. Oh, here, babe. You want the one with the laces?
So they come with 2 laces. They come with orange laces,
White
and white laces,
and black. So it comes
and
with,
black. Yeah, so 3 sets of laces.
yeah. This might be a.
Let's see, quality wise,
It feels buttery on the back, and I like how this has the satin effect. But this is the same orange on those mids that had just came out too. The orange mids. That's that same. It gives it like a satin look.
But at the same time, this is a really, and I mean really.
Did you see the
this
tag
this
on
pair is
the
kind of
inside?
dirty. If I'm
Yeah.
like, this pair has like all type of. Oh, this is bad. This is almost like a B grade. I'm not gonna hold you. Maybe it's different on your pairs out there. I know this is gonna be early for some, but it's gonna be later for others. Trying to determine if this is going to be a shoe that you want to purchase. You have shatter backboard 1.0s, 2.0s, 3.0s. Is this 4.0 worthy?
I don't know. I feel like if it was more orange back here.
Yeah, like, we're gonna post the screenshot, but there was a photo where it was just like what we wanted and then what we actually got.
Yeah, I
and
just shared it on Instagram.
And essentially, it was what we thought we were getting was going to be a black toe, and then this orange part was black, and then this was the outside here was going to be orange. So it's going to be essentially like a black toe, but shatter backboard.
Yeah, this pair is really bad. Like
It's really dirty.
Yeah.
And that's the thing, you know, when you get a white shoe, like Oreo 4s, it was a whole lot of white on that shoe.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And I don't think I saw any dirt or anything. And that was a super white shoe.
No, I mean, there was like some on like some of them. They did have some, but this has a lot of visible, like just dirt, like defects.
Let me actually show you guys real quick because
like all through here.
This
looks dirty. Yeah.
This is crazy. So this part, like right here, kind of dirty and dusty. As you can see right here on the inside, the glue stains are really bad.
I think if this was like a decent pair, they probably would be in my collection. I don't not like them. I feel like I would hold on to them just in case if I wanted to use them in the future, because as y'all know, I do not lace up my shoes. My shoes stay dead stock until the moment that I decide to wear them. But I don't feel like this is bad, although I would have liked to have got what we wanted versus what we got.
Yeah. With this, it just feels like they not listening to us.
Yeah, it's like they doing what they want to do. And like and the likelihood of us wearing, like, yeah, we're alums, so we love our orange and green, but the likelihood of us throwing this on, I mean,
or even going out of our way to
I said look at the insole. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see that. I'm gonna show B-roll of the inside, but it kind of has like a a different kind of
like a box.
Like a box on the inside. I'll definitely get B-roll for you guys so you can get a way closer look. But just overall, they come with extra laces. The Hyper Royals didn't come with extra laces.
No, for grade school. No, not for grade. They really didn't.
They didn't, but I mean, in comparison of a shoe.
I'd rather a better quality shoe than extra laces, especially because like I don't even swap them out for real. So
yeah, hopefully this video can kind of give a good representation of this shoe, good or bad, for you guys out there, so you guys can further tell if it's something that you should pay resale for because you don't have an orange, black and white Jordan 1. Yeah. Or if this is something that you want to just pass on and maybe pay resale for the 3.0. You know, so like, unfortunately.
Like are you gonna cop or you gonna pass because you got the SPBs 3.0? So
yeah,
what's your thoughts?
I have the 3.0. You know, should I bring them out? I don't know. I feel like if I do get these in person, I'll do a 3.0 versus this. But I mean, I'm honestly not feeling these.
Yeah, it's not something, like I said, it's not something I'm going out my way for. I really thought this back here was more of a satin, how they did the court purples. What were those? The women's ones? Yeah, it was a satin back here. So I thought this was definitely going to be a satin. But it's not. It's just the type of material like the orange mids that they had just dropped recently. But like I said, it's not a shoe that I'm definitely gonna go out my way for.
But like this, depending on how you style it, I mean, you can wear like some jeans that kind of cover this part up.
But then that covered the whole point of the shoe. And what, you just got a little bit of yellow up here, throwing the yellow laces, and now you got
orange.
Orange.
Forgive me. I mean, you can throw the oranges lace. I mean, it just depends. If you feel like you can pull it out, this has really bad glue stains. I'm sorry.
I feel like if they would have dropped it closer to Halloween, more people would have wanted them. But it's still summer.
It's July.
Yeah, it's still summer. Nobody's into October colorways and like, what is it, fall colorways? We're not there yet. So for them to drop it early was kind of like, you could have spent more time and gave us what we wanted, gave us more hype around it, but instead you produced a low quality shoe.
In the comment section, just let us know, like, let me know how you feel about these. You feel like this is a cop or a drop? Are you sleeping on these, or do you need them in your collection? You know, the Jordan 1 hype, the Jordan 1 craze is still high and in effect right now. If you look at any Jordan 1 that came out, you're paying a pretty penny resale.
Yeah, and I feel like because we have been on such a dunk craze lately that they kind of just threw out a 1 for us and was like, here, since y'all been asking for them. And it was kind of like we said, this ain't what we wanted, this is what we got.
I don't know how the men's pair looks, but I would assume it would be
different,
similar.
Yeah.
Here, but y'all let me know if y'all feel like this is something worth having in the collection, or if this is something that 6 months from now people are gonna look back and be like, oh, those dropped.
Yeah.
Whatever. You know what I'm saying? Let me know how y'all feel. I feel like this is gonna be one of those shoes where it could go either two ways. 6 months later, we look back and be like, oh, that was a release. Oh, whatever. You know what I'm saying? Or it could be like, dang, they go for that much now.
Yeah.
Whoa, I should have got them all. You know what I'm saying? So it can go one of two ways. It's not too many ways with sneakers. It's either up or down.
Yeah, so I think for sure I'm definitely gonna try and go for another pair and maybe see a better quality one. Yeah. But this one, just all in all, is not really giving what it was supposed to give.
This was really upsetting. Yeah, boy, look forward to this unboxing. Because I'm just like, man, I get an early review out. This is crazy. And I paid retail. Like, normally, you see these early review channels out. They have all these early reviews. But guess what they paid? Resale. You know what I paid? $140 plus tax. You already know. No, was it one? It's $130.
Yeah, it was $140 after tax.
$130 plus tax. What's that, $140? $141?
Yeah.
Something like that. Just depends on where you live. Some people pay $130 on the dot because they don't have sales tax.
Yeah.
But yeah.
I paid $130 for my court purples, so.
Oh yeah, from Snipes. Is that Snipes?
Yeah.
Hey, if y'all can ever get shoes off Snipes, they don't have
no
tax on
no
that
shipping, nothing. So
no tax. So if you want to avoid taxes on shoes, so you feel me, you can make more profit. Snipes is definitely one of those sites to try. But outside of that, you're gonna be paying tax, and depending on where you live, it may be high. Yeah. But that's pretty much the end of the video. You know, comment section below, let me know. And then go ahead and hit the subscribe button, because I do stuff like this all the time now. I ain't about to spend no crazy amount of bread on the early review. If it's a shoe that's like,
especially when we be hitting on in-store raffles, so we can get a review same day shoe comes out.
Yeah. So it's like, you know, I could get a review same day the shoe comes out. I don't gotta necessarily do an early review.
Yeah.
It was just like, oh, in order to grow as a channel, you gotta do early reviews. I mean, kinda. It just depends, because you got some of these dudes on YouTube that just be like, all right, here's the shoe, and we have the Air Jordan 1 and on the bottom. So, but that's besides the fact. Y'all go ahead, like the video, go ahead, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna try to get some good B-roll of this shoe, so you can get a more deeper, in-depth look at them. Outside of that, definitely keep the notifications on, because I do stuff like this all the time. PS5 has been redropping. I might mess around, drop a video, let y'all know how to still get a PS5, because for some reason, they're still hard to get. Shoes are hard to get. GPUs are hard to get. If you into any of that stuff,
Telfars are hard to get.
look, just got a Telfar back yesterday morning. You feel me? If you're a lady out there watching that, you might need to know how to get that next Telfar back.
Yeah.
So we gonna go ahead and get out of here. I'm gonna try to get this B-roll shot for you guys. But that is it. It's your boy Moody, and we are going ahead and check out of here. So peace.